line and you're looking awesome, I must say. Please tell us about that.
Well, I'm here for the launch of the Sin City fashion line, and Sin City is known for its the outdoor terrace that it has in the lounge bar. But they have come up with their fashion line, and I think it's a great idea. They're encouraging new talent, and our country has great talent. So, congratulations and all the best to them.
Isha, what does fashion mean to you? When you've been, into fitness, into a healthy lifestyle. You've been, totally at it from the beginning of your career, and you look lovely, ravishing as always. So, what's the secret?
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for such great compliments and accolades. Yes, I've always been a fitness freak because I believe in leading a healthy lifestyle, and I think one should treat their body as a temple. So, if you take care of your body takes care of you. Having said that, my fashion statement always is about comfort. I believe in being comfortable because if you're comfortable, and it's only then that you feel confident, and I don't think anybody wants to be uncomfortable.
Ma'am, one fitness mantra, any diet you want to do?
Zip your mouth. That's the only fitness mantra, because how much ever you work out, you are what you eat and you become what you cheat. So it's very important for us to prepare, for our future. That's for our, as we age, our body, the metabolism kind of goes slow. So we need to keep preparing for that. When you're young and in your teens and your 20s, it's all fine. But as you age, you feel it. So it's better to prepare when you're young.
Would you like to do yoga? Are you interested in yoga?
I do everything. There's nothing that I don't do. I do martial arts, I do yoga, I do Pilates, I do all kinds of training. I don't let my body get used to any one kind of training.
Isha, you're very strict with your diet also. The little birdie told us that. And we see the lovely videos with Rihanna, your daughter. So what keeps you, the motivation, as you say, always for a healthy lifestyle?
Well, I think leading a lifestyle is of key essence, and weight loss is a byproduct. If you lead a healthy lifestyle, and when I mean healthy lifestyle, I mean at least an hour of workout every day, some kind of a cardiovascular activity, and eating early. Unfortunately, because of our social commitments and our work commitments, our eating pattern kind of gets affected. But I would still think that if all of us could eat before it's too late, as in about 6:30, 7:30 max. I know you all will be laughing because 6:30 is a snack time, but 7:30 is the best time for us to finish our dinner, because you should rise with the sun and set with the sun. So that's how your body is made, unfortunately, by God. So if you wake up early and you sleep early and you eat early, as in you finish your dinner by about 7:30, I think you're kind of sorted for life, and then weight loss will gradually, naturally happen.
Isha, we're juggling between politics and of course your film shoot and the web series, which is, how do you manage your time? You also, working back end, the office space. So there's lots that you're doing.
Yeah, I think I've kind of learned to balance for better. I think God has given us 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, and I have managed to balance my time. So I think priority definitely is your family, and work fits in whenever work is necessary. Family definitely understands, but sometimes addressing certain commitments, family commitments, becomes priority. So I handle it. I play it by ear.
So I think Ganpati and Janmashtami wishes individually we would like to.
नमस्कार, मैं ईशा कोपिकर, आप सब लोगों को गणपति की शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार, मैं ईशा कोपिकर, आप सब लोगों को गणपति की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया।
इन दिनों क्या हो रहा है? क्या
इन दिनों वेब सीरीज़ हो रहा है। कहाँ से आवाज़ आई? इन दिनों बालाजी वर्ल्ड के लिए एक वेब सीरीज़ कर रही हूँ, और एक OTP प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए एक वेब सीरीज़ कर रही हूँ, और 3 फिल्मों की बातचीत चल रही है।
मैम, रिसेंटली पाकिस्तान की मिनिस्टर ने प्रियंका चोपड़ा को ब्रांड एम्बेसडर से हटाने के लिए किया। आपकी क्या मांग है? आप क्या कहना चाहिए? तो आपको लगता है प्रियंका चोपड़ा को हटाना चाहिए? उनको 20 ब्रांड एम्बेसडर की UN ने उन्हें अपॉइंट किया था। व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
Can you please repeat your question a little louder?
मैम ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है, आपको तो मालूम है यूएन के, और जो हाल ही में पाकिस्तान ने उनको हटाने की मांग की यूएन को, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमारे आर्मी को अप्रिशिएट किया था, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को अप्रिशिएट किया था उनके काम को लेकर। आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरे देशवासियों को लेके और मेरे देश को लेके कोई भी कुछ भी गलत बोलेगा, मेरे नोटबुक में या मेरे लिए वो इंसान देशद्रोही है। तो मैं मेरे देश के साथ हूँ और आई डू नॉट रिस्पेक्ट और आई एम नॉट विद एनीबडी हु सेज एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट द सिटीजन्स ऑफ माई कंट्री और माई कंट्री। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
मनु जी, कुछ सवाल आपका?
We'll just do a picture of the back.
Yes. Any question?
Can you get that back? Do you think that's possible?
I told you because now it will.
Thank you. No, because my hair was.
I know.
Okay, come. Isha, normal mode.
Yeah, just take pictures.